were put to the council as stated over here. This was taken note of. The judgment was based on it. This was, my lord, adversarial litigation under Article 185(3), and if a point or a matter was not before the Peshawar High Court, if it was to be taken on record, the parties needed to be put on notice. The court also recognizes, and that's the next point, that several of the parties were not before the court. My lord, your lordship may see in this judgment at page 142, paragraphs 19 and 20.
कौन से टैब में?
This is tab 1, the same tab, my lord. The majority, tab 1, page 142.
पे कौन सा पढ़े?
142 पे, my lord, your lordship will see just before paragraph 20. As per these contentions and the arguments made during the hearing, PTI claimed the allocation of the disputed reserved seats either to SIC or to itself PTI. This, my lord, great respect, the submission is orally, whatever may have happened. This was not part of the pleadings. And if your lordship may see further, paragraph 20. It may also be pertinent to mention here, in the course of the argument, the learned counsel for SIC also attempted to explain the above circumstances under which the returned candidates, who according to him were PTI candidates, joined SIC. However, some honorable members of the bench reproved him, questioning how he could make conflicting arguments as he was supposed to plead the case of SIC, not of PTI. With respect, we say that both SIC and PTI took the same stance on the peculiar circumstances that led the returned candidates to join SIC. In no way did they make any conflicting assertions. Both emphasized that it is the right of the people who had voted for the returned candidates that their mandate should be reflecting in allocating the disputed seats. So your lordship will notice from this.
What is your argument on this?
The argument is that PTI was not before this honorable court. PTI had made an intervenor application, which is CMA 5913 of 2024.
5913
of 2024, and the prayer in the intervenor application was that in view of the facts and circumstances explained above, the petitioners named above may kindly be allowed to assist this august court. Nothing further.
Assist or intervene?
My lord,
they've been addressed as intervener.
Assist as interveners.
As intervener.
In view of the facts and
आजाद
circumstances.
जमात को ज्वाइन करते हैं जो पार्लियामेंट में मौजूद हो। जस्टिस मुसर्रत हिलाली के रिमार्क्स इस वक्त 11 रुकनी बेंच केस की समाअत कर रहा है।